Recently, I got a question related to speed breaker trading in intraday time format. So, how do you do it and when do you do it? Let me just quickly answer that. Before I begin, let me tell you, I personally do not recommend trading in intraday, especially for beginners, because speed breaker trading requires a lot of skill that you need to develop. So, I would highly recommend making sure that on daily frame you have mastered the trading strategy, and then you try it in 60-minute, and then you try it in 15-minute charts. Okay, and ultimately, if you are making money, then do you really need to trade intraday? Just take a judgment call on that. Okay, if you're able to make decent profits from daily charts, then you really don't need intraday. If you just want to do intraday for excitement, then the ideal time to run the screener would be after 10 a.m. Okay, so it's 11 o'clock right now. I'll just quickly show you if somebody wants to do this in intraday, what time frame do you use. So first of all, you won't be using volume shocker screener, because volume shocker screener only takes end of the day data. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to run the ADX screen, which I've given along with the course. And in this, you will get a couple of stocks which are currently in trend and they are above 2% in day. Now, if you don't, the only problem with charting is that this software delays data. So delayed data at 11 a.m. right? So they are basically 5-minute delay data is coming in. So you may not be able to catch them at the right time. If your own trading software has got such a screener, use ADX above 35 and stocks above 10,000 crores and 2% above price movement in the morning. Okay. And ideally, they should not be as high as 10%. They should be in the ranges of 2%, because then they have more scope to grow. A stock that has gone above 10% is usually going to come back, and you won't get much movement in this. Okay, mostly. So how do you check? Simply, again, you're going to start the screener and start checking the 2% range once. Even 3% is fine. Leave the 10% one for now. We'll do a quick check. So start from bottom, or maybe you can start from top as well. Let me just quickly show you. You go to Natco Pharma. You're going to check 5 days, 15-minute chart. Okay, so you see high sharp movement and it's fallen down. Now this is not going to be our ideal movement. And you can also check it in 2 days, because this is at 11 a.m. So you'll get a fair idea of how the stock is going. Then we have Aegis Logistics. Okay, so now if you look at it, sharp upward movement and some sideways movement. So this stock did give us the movement, and breakout happened at, you can see, around 11 a.m., slightly early. So now I have missed it because again, this data comes slightly delayed on charting.com. If you have your own trading software, use that. So you could have captured this for a small target profit. Then let's check out Motilal Oswal. Again, showing some movement, but no pattern here. KIOCL, okay, nothing's happening here. IRFC, you can see sharp upward movement, sideways movement. We might get some action over here. Cadila Healthcare. Okay, look at Cadila Healthcare. It is kind of potentially forming a speed breaker. So now, as soon as I see this on a 2-day or a 5-minute chart, I'm going to zoom into 1-day chart, 15 minutes again. Notice upward movement and nice sideways movement. So what you can do is you can set an alert for Cadila to break out above this. Now in intraday, you might not get the volume uh, updated over here. So for that, I will use my Trade Tiger. Now, very important, check volumes. Again, make sure that the patterns format is fine. Stop loss is going to be very strict. Okay, once you have everything ready, you're going to enter above that price. Make sure you keep a sufficient stop loss, because intraday fluctuations are wild sometimes. And the other thing is the risk reward ratio should also be good. Okay, so there are a lot of difficult criteria as an intraday, which I personally don't like and I don't have time for. I prefer trading part-time, and that work, daily charts work really well for me. But those who want to try can try this. You can try this at 10 o'clock, 10:30, anytime after 10 o'clock, because in the morning, what's happening, these wild swings are taking place during 9:30 to 10. So let market settle down a little bit, then run your ADX screen. Okay, 10K, and then check stocks in 15-minute time frame for 5 days, and then 15-minute time frame for 1 day. That is going to be your ideal scan for the speed breaker in intraday.